So if you're struggling like me with staying on script or even remembering on camera because of ADHD, then this item, the Elgato Prompter, will probably help you. I think it's a total game changer, hopefully. So we are going to unbox this one and see how good it is. All right, so here we go. Let's just open this up. Less talk, more doing. If I can open it. Basically, first off, the box is pretty simple. Well, yeah, I mean, nothing fancy here. It's a big box though. And so I'm just taking off the outer box. And now we have a small kind of box right here. Oh, before that, yeah, so this box as well has all the, I guess, whatever marketing feature you have. It says built-in 9-inch display, ultimate camera compatibility, large field of view, professional mirroring. So let's take everything out. Before we're gonna open this one, let's just see what else is in here. Okay, so we have this 1 and 2. So nothing left here. We have the main item right here, and I'm assuming this will be, yep, I think this is like the stand for the camera, if I'm not mistaken. But let's open this one first. We're gonna try to read the specs later on. Hopefully there's a manual inside this box. But right now, what I can see is, okay, so it's not plastic, which is good. It's kind of like a fiber type of, bag, something. And then we have the sticker right here for the Elgato. Okay, take it off. And let's see the main one. I think there's this is the LCD. Oof. I don't want to break it before I even started using it. Okay, so here we go. I'm assuming this is the top part right here. We have the Elgato logo, and at the back you can see there's a hole right here, a square hole. And yeah, so it does say here for Facecam Pro. Okay, I don't have a Facecam Pro from Elgato, but as you can see, we have the there is an LCD at the bottom. This is the screen or the glass. So yeah, I'm assuming that the camera will be here at the behind this glass right here, or screen. And since we don't have Facecam Pro, we are gonna remove this. Okay, God, I'm all over the place right now. And let's see if I can remove. Yeah, easily removable. And what is this one? I would assume it's going to be for everything else. I think you can also use an iPhone here, but we're going to use, hopefully in the future videos, we are going to use this with my main camera right here, which is a Canon. Oh, no, not a Canon. Why am I saying Canon? Anyways, it's a Sony a6600. Okay, so it says here, mount camera here. Yep, okay, we're going to be mounting the camera here, but how do we put this in? If that's a mounting camera here, so I would assume it's like this. Yep. So screw this in. Oh, okay, that's pretty easy. Yeah, so we're gonna put the tripod right here, screw, and then the camera. Camera would most likely be here. I wonder how it's going to fit though with my DSLR camera, but we'll see later on how everything works out. Oh, probably, yeah, probably like this. Yeah. So slide it at the bottom, and then camera here. Yeah, we'll see. But before that, let me just move this up. Let's check this box first. What's inside? What comes with it? Okay, opening it up. Okay, so first we have the manual, big manual. So I like that it's big, so at least you can read properly. Not those tiny ass manual with like really tiny font and all that. So I like that, the fact that, they have the image right here, or drawings, with the description on how to do it step by step and stuff. Because sometimes it's only drawings, and then sometimes it's just text. And, both is actually better, or appreciated at least. So, ring backplate for larger DSLR cameras. So yeah, there is a ring backplate. Then Facecam Pro backplate, which is this, which was the default. And then yeah, it does show here DSLR camera, how you're gonna put it, and then there's a ring plate and stuff. So let's open this step up rings first. This is the biggest box. This box, it's like a box in a box in a box. Anyways, here we go. We have step up rings right here. How many do we have? It's 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. I think we have 9. Yeah. Wow. Oh wait, hold on. Yeah. No. 2, 4. Now I'm confused. Okay. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Yes. Total of 9 rings. Step-up rings. Did I open one of these? Anyways, so this one, it says 77mm. I'm gonna have to check what I have for mine. I forgot what this is. Probably like 15 or 30. I may be wrong, so don't get me. What is this one though? Why is this separate? I have no idea actually. I've never tried this one before. So let's just put this back here for now, and then we'll read the manual in a bit. But before that, okay, let's open this one. Universal Shroud Backplate DSLR mirrorless backplate. Okay, here we go. So it's the backplate for the DSLR. So we're gonna do this, and then I guess with the rings as well. We'll see, because obviously different lenses have different diameter. And I think this is for like the hood, kind of like for the horse, or like his head is like, no, not hood. What is it? Like to cover the side so there's no what do you call this? So there are no reflections and stuff. It's kind of like this. Put it. Anyways, we have a USB cable as what the label says. So USB cable. Oh wow, this is pretty long. I like that, and it's an L shape too. That's pretty appreciated. Not a lot of USB cables are in L shape, so this is good, especially for cameras and stuff. So I like that. Just untie this. What else is in here? A lot. I spoke too soon. Yep, there is a tiny ass manual right here. Important. Oh, well, it's not a manual. It's important safety instructions. Okay. Yeah, it's a safety instruction where, I mean, it's really tiny. I don't know if you guys can even read this. Anyways, put this back here. I'm gonna read that. Okay, the cable is braided. That's really good. I like that. Not rubber and stuff. It's braided and it's all thick. You know, feels premium. Now those skinny as, let me see, like this type of cable, really skinny and rubber and, you know, feels cheap. This one, it feels actually good. I'm not just saying that, but yeah, it is braided and it's sturdy and I like it. And here's the L shape on one end. What does it say here? 3.0. Okay, 5 gigabits per second. Okay, good. We need that. I don't know if you can actually hit that bandwidth anyways, especially for teleprompter. And then the other side is the USB-A port. Okay, so what do we need to do? We're gonna try to set this up, and then hopefully, probably gonna use my iPhone so you guys can see, because I'm gonna put it on that camera I'm looking at right now. So I'll be right back. All right, so I was like reading the manual and stuff, and it turns out we don't actually need this for DSLR. As far as I know, at least from what I understand, is that is for like webcam and stuff. Or, you know, like this is a stand if like you have those tiny ass webcam that you're gonna be mounting here. But since we have a DSLR camera, which is real big, we don't need that actually. We have the DSLR camera backplate. I've just placed this one right here, you know, instead of this. And then the step-up rings, you actually look at the your lens's cap, and it will say there's a label here. So in my case, it's 67. So I'm gonna be using the 67, hook it up on the lens of the camera, and then hopefully it fits in right away with this one. And I'll be right back. All right, so I've set up the Elgato Prompter on the screen right now where I'm looking at it right now. So let me just use my iPhone to at least so you guys can see how it looks like right now. And basically, I also have this recording, screen recording right here. I downloaded the Camera Hub, the Elgato Camera Hub software or app on their website. And after installing and everything, I also inputted the USB cable connected to my MacBook Pro right here, USB-C. And just for reference, when you download that, well, the USB, because it's kind of hard to see, I guess, on the iPhone at the moment. Let me see where you guys can see at least an idea where it's connected. Okay, so it's on the left of it here. Do you see it? So the L-shaped USB-C cable is connected to the left, basically on this side right here. Yeah, so the downside to this one is I have my monitor screen, the small screen from the Sony a6600. I can barely see it, so it's, you know, half of it is blocking. Actually, you get, but yeah, you can see at the back right here, this spot right there. So that's the downside. It's blocking it, but it's better that way, so I don't forget. So what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna try to read whatever is in front of me. I'm gonna press play, and then I'm just gonna try to read the demo Elgato Camera Hub whatever text in there, so at least you guys can see. All right, enough talking. Here we go. All right, so ready to roll the camera, whether it's a video script or talking points, Camera Hub, and all that, blah blah blah. And then here in text mode, Prompter automatically mirrors anything you enter onto its screen. This way you can stay on script and while maintaining natural eye contact with your audience. Yep, so that's what I'm doing right now, because otherwise I'm gonna be forgetting what I'm saying. with its familiar interface. Camera hub makes it easy to organize and stuff. So I guess hold on before I forget. Okay. So I guess the challenge here is to look natural while reading, but at least I'm looking at directly to the camera lens now, or to the camera. And it's really easy. By the way, before I forget, Elgato also had this very nice texture microfiber or felt type of cloth right here, to be wiping the screen and all that. So this is much appreciated. And so for this one, actually, this is the universal, what does it say? Universal shroud backplate. Apparently I didn't need this one. I thought I needed to put it on top or something, but apparently this is for putting it behind, same as what I'm doing right now. But if your camera doesn't fit in or something, so you're gonna need this, or if you have a weird shaped camera or something, so this is what you're gonna be using. But I didn't need that, and as you can see, let me do another B-roll. Here we go. And it's pretty much running pretty subtle and good. And I have it here. I can pause it, and I'm like, okay, I forgot. I need to do a take 2 of this one, let's say. And then I'm gonna click here and then read again. You can play. You can increase the text. Will it increase? I'm not sure. That's a good question. So on the screen, it's big, but on the prompter, it's the same. Okay, that's interesting. So I guess this one is just for here. It's just for on the software. So there's so you have content type, text. What about the chat? What does it do? Prompter is now displaying your stream chat. Oh, okay, so it's for a stream chat and all that. And display, prompter can act as another computer screen, so you can view. Maintaining icon, just drag. Ah, I see. Okay, so just gonna drag whatever you have here, and then it's gonna show on the screen. Ah, gotcha. But this is basically the main feature of this one, the prompter. It's a prompter to begin with, right? So yeah, that's pretty good. Other than that, what? Do we have effects? Can we try effects? How does it work? Camera. I guess it's not. I only have the prompter. I don't have the Elgato camera. I'm using a DSLR. So I guess that's grayed out. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I think I like this one. I'm gonna be testing this out more. I'm gonna have. I think I have 2 or 3 videos that I'm definitely gonna need this, so that I, gonna be looking straight to the camera and not keep on stuttering and forgetting what I'm saying. Anyways, that's it for this video, and hope you like this unboxing review, first impression actually, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to smash the like button, and if you haven't yet, consider subscribing to the channel, and again, I'll see you in the next video.